Adding a slider to your WordPress homepage can enhance the visual appeal and highlight important content. Here's how to do it. Install a slider plugin. Log into a WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins, Add New. Search for popular slider plugins like Meta Slider, Smart Slider 3 or Slider Revolution. Install and activate the plugin of your choice. Create a new slider. After activation, go to the plugin settings. Add your slider images. Click on Add Slide and select images from your media library or upload new ones. Arrange the slides and set options like image size, transitions, and speed. Save the slider once you're satisfied with the setup. Add the slider to your homepage. After creating the slider, the plugin will provide a shortcode or block to display it. Go to Pages, All Pages, and edit your homepage. If you're using the classic editor, paste the shortcode in the page content area. If using Gutenberg, add the shortcode block and paste the shortcode there. Publish or update the page.